Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You should already have Roblox Studio open with Explorer and properties visible. Now load the place you want to modify. You will begin by selecting the character or model whose collisions you want to change. Once selected, inspect the humanoid root part or primary part in properties so you can edit collision-related fields. Make sure you know whether you want global player collision off or per player. This choice determines whether you change workspace physics or script player characters. Start by identifying the exact part to modify. You will now implement the core change using a server script for reliability across clients. Create a script in Server Script Service and connect player added to a function. When a character spawns, wait for humanoid root part, then loop through its parts. For each base part set, can collide equals false and collision group ID if using custom groups. This ensures physics ignore player-to-player contact. Once done, make sure to test by rejoining as another player. Explain why. Server-side scripts guarantee consistent behavior and prevent client. You finish by testing thoroughly. Run play with multiple players or start server and start player to emulate. If using physics service, assign a collision group and set collisions between that group and player default to false. This scales better for many parts. Make sure to save and publish the place after confirming behavior. If players still collide, check for script runtime errors, ensure parts are not massless or well-joined forcing collisions, and verify you disabled collisions on every relevant base part.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.